Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Heart by Hatika. In this video, I will tell you about top 10 international designers. So watch the video till the end. So the first one is Gucci, which have 40.8 million followers on Instagram. The director at Gucci is Alessandro Michele. The unique selling point of Gucci is it is execute Italian craftsmanship, providing high quality of products and great designs. You can see the logo of Gucci hereby. And I have taken one product from Gucci. This is the belt from Gucci brand. You can see the price there. And the next brand is H&M. H&M have 35.7 million followers on Instagram by Karl Joha person, and the unique selling point of H&M brand is that it focuses on fashion and quality at the best price. And the logo of H&M is this. Then the third brand comes Prada. It have 24 million subscribers on Instagram or followers. It is by Mikia Bianchi, and the unique selling point of this is that it is classic and eccentric, also frumpy but hip, and provides modern aspects of fashion. The next one, fourth, is Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren have 12 million followers on Instagram. It is by Ralph Lauren, and the USP is polo shirt. It has unique patterns and it is very classy brand. The fifth one comes Giorgio Armani. It have 726k followers on Instagram. It is by Giorgio Armani, and the USP or the special points are it is elegant, style timeless, values with global appeal. And the next one is Estee Lauder, which have 3.9 million followers on Instagram. It is by Fabrizio Freda, the CEO of the Estee Lauder, and the USP is that it is prestige beauty with an unparalleled portfolio and beauty that is aspirational. The seventh one is Bottega Veneta. It has 2.3 million followers on Insta, and the designer is Daniel Lee. The USP of Bottega Veneta is it is Italian luxury brand. The motto of this brand is when your own initials are enough. Next one, eighth, is Nina Ricci. Nina Ricci has 970k followers. It is by Nina Ricci, and the USP is that it is a versatile and reconstructed brand. Then the next, ninth one comes Paolo Sebastian. It has 826k followers. It is by Paul Vassell, and the USP is it provides haute couture gowns with beaded embroidery, which is the special points of Paolo Sebastian. Then the last one is Belly. Belly has 510k followers. It is by Karl Franz, and it is Swiss luxury brand and innovative designs since 1851. Thank you. Also do subscribe our channel for the amazing content.